In this video, I'm going to show how you can easily create a group chat on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And the first off, open up Instagram app. Then tap right here to go to your DMS. And then in order to create a group chat, tap add that icon after that. We'll be able to add to our group chat some users simply by check marking them. In that way we can add a user from suggested. Or we can talk right here and then just search for some specific user by their username. Once you have selected all the users you would like to add to your group chat, tap at that button after that. You will be taken to that group chat conversation and then we can start messaging. That's how you can create a group chat on Instagram.